Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics one night before an exam. First, quickly scan your syllabus or past papers to pinpoint high-yield topics. Don't try to learn everything. Instead, concentrate on the fundamental concepts that form the backbone of the course. Make sure you grasp the basic definitions and the relationships between different physical quantities. This targeted approach will maximize your limited study time and build a solid foundation for the exam. Now, let's dive into the core concepts and formulas. Go through your notes, paying special attention to any examples or problems discussed in class. As you review, actively write down every important formula. Don't just memorize them. Try to understand what each variable represents and the physical meaning behind the equation. Knowing the units involved can also help you catch errors during the exam. This active recall will solidify your understanding. Next, it's time for some targeted problem practice. Instead of doing many problems, select one or two typical examples for each key concept. Concentrate on understanding the steps involved in solving them, from identifying the given information to applying the correct formula. Don't get bogged down in lengthy derivations or extremely challenging problems. Your goal is to reinforce your understanding of the application of principles, not to become a master problem solver overnight. Finally, for exam day readiness, prioritize getting a good night's sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one. In the morning, do a quick, light review of your formula sheet and the main concepts you focused on. Avoid cramming new information. Remember, a calm and confident mindset is crucial. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.